Hello. Welcome to the pet room. So I ran this program called ROM test, and I've been waiting. And it's not doing anything. I'm going to shut it off. This is on the Chiclet pet that I was using. It seems quite happy. So, you know what? I'm going to type again. Oops. Load. I'm going to press play on tape 1, as I did long ago. The very first time I ever used any of these fine computers. Boy, I'm going to have to do some moving of things to get over. Oh, ROM test. I'm going to list it. And you know what? I'm not going to run it. I'm going to load something else, see what comes up this time. I seem to remember maybe on this tape, which came from Commodore, there were, wherever there was a program, there were 2 of them. ROM test. Oh my. LIST. Right. Maybe there was more. I'll try that again. Load. We'll see. If it just says ROM test again, I'm going to be somewhat disappointed. Found Core 4K memory poker. Well, that sounds different. It does. I suppose another thing I might do with this machine is I might go looking for another data set. Either, oh, here we go. Oh, hang on. Let's type list. Okay. Let's see what this does. Run. 4K poker 1.2. And I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's a little counter up in the top. I will press stop eject. Okay, it's doing something. I'm not sure what it's doing. The G key, there we go. And then here's a cute thing I can do. I can go up with the space bar, wipe all this stuff up, and I've just got it where it says go to 1, and there, the program will run. So, I'm not sure what 4K poker does. It's not a game. I guess it is some sort of diagnostic-y thing. I guess. Anyway, it's nice to have these vintage machines all up and working at the same time. But I'm thinking, gosh, I will look for a data set to plug in here and test and see what's what. If this is the trouble, well, I need to see. Because really, you gotta have, for this to be a happy working machine, you gotta have a data set that works. And it's gotta be the right kind. Mind you, if it's somebody who just wants a machine for a museum and put on display. Doesn't matter if it works, but this machine is pretty. It's not perfect, but it's pretty lovely. Pretty lovely indeed. Sorry, this is I wish I knew what it was. Oh, something is happening. Oh, yeah, the screen went away for a moment. I tapped the screen. That's another thing that I think I will do soon with the deoxit is I will see about spraying some onto the connector down here, but also inside the monitor to tidy that up a bit. Because it often seems, once again, it's micro corrosion. Heat is the enemy, micro corrosion is another enemy. So what is this doing? I don't know. I wish also, I suspect I could press run stop. Oh, I could, but it won't do anything. I wish they had put some REM, as in remark statements, inside the program to say what it was doing and how to know if it actually worked. Although it seems to be working. And this over here is just printing endlessly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. On and on and on and on it goes. You know what I might do? On this one, I might press run and stop. Oh, don't tell me the list. Okay, L-I-S-T-T-T-T. Maybe I will go and look for some funky graphics thing. But that's not working. And then go to 1. There. Triangles. Hey, Google, what time is it?
It's 1:15 p.m.
Oh. Well, interesting. This is doing something. But what? I don't know. And for how long will it keep doing it? I don't know. It's now supposedly been doing it for 3 minutes. Or 333 seconds. Interesting. All right, time to declutter everything here. As few as possible, if all goes as planned, that Rudy's retro intel might be swinging by for a moment, and I have to give him some things. Good RAM. Okay, that's good. Oh. That goes to Rudy. That goes to Rudy. He's going to run things through his chip tester. That goes to Rudy. That goes to Rudy. Bad. Bad. Okay. So, what I should do, because I can, as I'm getting stuff cleared out of here, there are a couple of screws here that I don't want to lose. I'll put them in a bag. I'll put them inside. And then I'll move things. So you wonder why I never have any room to work. Well, because things follow me. They do. They do indeed. Good RAM chips. How many are there here? I think there's 5. Interesting. They do say they're not from this machine, but does that really matter? I don't think so. I'm going to turn this on and watch it come up. Indeed. 5119 by 3. I could fully populate it. I could. But at this moment, I think I will not. Actually, I'm going to take this out of here. I'll just shut it down there. And, ooh, okay. Oh no. I'm going to turn it off. The stick is stuck. Oh my golly. It really is. The hold down thing is very much stuck. And, oh, there it is. Okay. Maybe that helped. I don't know. Yeah. Go into the thing. Okay. Alright, so let's shuffle this over a bit. Turn it on. And up it comes. Alright, we'll just get that to do the World of Commodore thing. This thing here is just going on and on and on. So, I guess, once again, turn this off. Because I don't know how long we're supposed to wait. I'm going to do the shift run stop. And that will tell me to press play on tape 1. And I would bet it's going to be exactly the same program. I bet. And it's going to run, and it's going to sit here, and it's going to do nothing. And I'm going to say, how about that? Found 4K memory poker loading. That's exciting. Very, very exciting it is. Well, at least the Datasette is working. Okay, so I imagine that maybe this is running, or maybe it's just crashed. Maybe I should have just typed load. Well, the last time it actually came up and did something. I hate turning machines on and off for no good reason. So I'll try that again. This time I'll take unload and I will press play. I'm going to stop this for a second. I'm going to list. I'm going to go up. I'm going to look for another character here on the. Oh, there's a cool one. And it seems to be working. Ooh, I found 8K memory poker. Oh yeah. Right. I can't do that, but he's not working. So we say go to. Alright, why didn't that do anything? Did I not hit return on this? Maybe I didn't. Yeah, I did. Alright, we'll try that again. Hang on. Okay, so let's see what we see in this program. It looks kind of like the one that was the 4K one. If S is greater than 0, then print bad load or I12, J12, maybe bad stop. And what is this doing? Read A, go sub 4000 for J equals C plus I. And then how long is it supposed to go? I don't know. Oh well. We'll run it. And it seems to be doing kind of what the other thing did. It's now it's just an 8K poker. So it's doing something. It seems to be reading data of some sort. And now it's doing something. So I guess I'll let it do something. Alright, well, I think what I need to do next there's a machine way up yonder that I haven't looked at that I really would like to. And then there's another here that I think it has a circuit board for this use, but the circuit board's not in there. Anyway, I need to figure out what I'm going to do. But right now, because I think that Verdi at Verdi's Retro Intel will be coming, I need to, of all things, get a ladder, a little ladder, and go upstairs and try and rescue a 1250 printer from somewhere I may or may not be able to get it from. And also I'm looking for a box of keys. Not keys for a house or a car, but replacement keys for a pet. And then maybe I should double check with him about anything else that I was supposed to look for. Perhaps. Anyway. Thanks for coming to the pet room. I'll leave this testing. This is sort of burning in. And that one's just, doing its thing. But it's nice to have 3 vintage machines up and running. It will be nicer when there are more. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.